How to check watch history on YouTube Kids. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to know what your kids been watching on YouTube Kids? If so, this video is for you. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step, open up your YouTube Kids. After you open up your YouTube Kids, make sure you're logged in. So after you open up your YouTube Kids, on the bottom you'll find an option called Your Stuff. So tap on Your Stuff. It should be right beside your profile. After you tap on it, there you'll see different sections. The sections that you want to go to is this Watch It Again. Now under Watch It Again, you'll find the videos that your kid has watched, and this is basically your history. And yeah, you can browse through it and check what the history is on YouTube Kids. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.